cast iron comrades?
Morning.
Feast your eyes on this little beauty.
Oh, wow! You've got an attachment!
Isn't it great? I didn't even know I came with attachments.
I wish I came with an attachment. I either dump or I don't dump. That's all I do.
Attachments are so overrated. I used to have these little skinny forks I could use for small stuff, but they made my boot look so big.
Actually, do you think the stainless steel is okay? Because they do come in copper.
Oh, I like this steel. It goes with your headlights.
I realise this is a very unimportant aspect of your attachment, Diggs, but what does it actually do?
Oh, well, you name it.
Carrie, Diggs would not come over here showing off his shiny new thing if he didn't know what to do with it. Would you, Diggs? Oh, no. Diggs, tell me you know.
Well...
Oh, you don't know!
Didn't it come with any instructions?
Yeah, but, I threw them away.
What?
Well, instructions are so boring. Oh, do this, do that, fit this part in that part. I might still have the box, though. Anyway, it won't be a problem because I won't be asked to use it for ages.
Well, Diggs, I just heard the news about your new attachment. Fantastic timing. There's a job first thing tomorrow morning that I'm really going to need it for.
There is?
It's the most important part of the whole job. You'll be the star machine.
Diggs, are your wires completely crossed? Why didn't you tell him you didn't know how to use it?
Oh, I don't know. He said I'd be the star machine and made me feel all important with my new thing.
You don't even know what it's called.
Well, you better find out speedo. The day's nearly over, and if you don't sort it out soon, you are going to look like one backward backhoe.
Hey, why don't you go and ask Carl? He's got more attachments than the rest of us put together.
Scooch, that's the best idea you've ever had.
Oh, well, time to put away my attachments for the evening. See you tomorrow, my little demo ball. Look at you, round as ever. Sleep tight, my ogre, you screwy little fellow.
Hi, Carl.
Oh, it's the little scooper. I hear you've got yourself a new attachment.
Yes, I have.
Ah, a shiny new jibber.
Is it? It is. That's exactly what it is. A jibber.
Nice one, too. And I like the steel. Goes very well with your headlights.
Thanks, Carl. I'd better get off and practice with my, jibber. Well, at least I know what it is. Now all I've got to do is work out what it does.
Whoa. Keep your headlights on where you're going, little backhoe.
Sorry, Lug.
Ooh, I say. What's that you've got there?
It's my jibber.
Oh, what if that's a jibber? I'm a combine harvester. That is a dipper. I haven't seen one like that since, I did that job for my friend, Roll and Dump.
Really?
Yes, 3 of the backhoes on the site I was working on were given them. Yeah, I started dipping, and before you could say HTV, they'd all fallen over backwards.
Oh, thanks, Lug. I've really got to go.
But I do have to say, the stainless steel goes really well with your headlights.
Look, I know I've been stupid.
Yep.
And I know I should have told Bozer I couldn't use it.
Yep.
But please, if you really are my best friends, you'll help me work out what to do with this thing.
Yep.
Oh, thanks, guys. You really are top trucks. And hey, with 3 finely tuned machines like us working on it, we'll have it cracked in no time.
Okay, so try this. Move from side to side with a twist.
This could be it. This could be it. Whoa! That's not it.
Oh, we've been at this for hours. Nothing seems to work.
Oh, please, just a little bit longer.
Okay. Wiggle it.
Waggle it.
Throw it backwards.
Shoot it forward.
Lift it up.
Make it do zigzags.
Now try circles.
Oh, too late. It's morning.
No, and I still don't have any idea what to do with this thing.
Oh, I've got it. You can take it across to Bozer and tell him you don't know.
Okay, my little star vehicle. Are you ready to shine?
I'm ready, boss.
Come on then. Mind behind.
Maybe when the moment comes, I'll know what to do.
Now, Diggs, you wait here, and when I give the order, do your thing. Right, machines. Let's start. This has to run like clockwork, so one truck at a time. Carl, can you clear the frame?
Frame cleared.
Maxine, fill the hole with concrete.
Ball fin.
Now it's your turn, Diggs.
It's a dipper.
Make it do circles.
A shiny new Jibber.
Bozer, I have to tell you something.
Nice job, Diggs.
Huh?
Now move away so Carl can drop the post in the hole before the cement dries.
Varoom! I did it!
Sorry, Diggs. I was wrong. It wasn't a Jibber.
And it wasn't a dipper. Lucky for you.
What is it then?
It's a hola!
Hey! I've got a hola!
Isn't that what you thought you had?
Well, actually, Bozer, up until that moment, I didn't know what it was, or what to do with it. But I know now.
And what else do you know?
Never throw away instructions.
Good machine. And I'll tell you something else. That holler goes really well with your headlights.